Hello, my name is Andrew Rupp. I'm the founder and executive director of STEM.org Educational Research. STEM is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and we provide curriculum, credentialing, and consulting services in the K-12 space. We've been working with MySoft Solutions for quite some time now, and personally I find that it is one of the most effective organizations that we've ever worked with technologically. They've never encountered an experience that a technological issue that they haven't been able to solve. What's really interesting is that the solution that they've come up with the ERP Gold system is really a total solution for small businesses. One of the biggest challenges for many small business owners is the fact that they have to go and outsource to many different vendors, various software and different cloud-based solutions. And what I found with the ERP Gold is it manages the marketing aspects, the customer relation or the client relation management side of things, the inventory-based systems for some of our courses, and then at the back end, the very back end, the accounting solutions. I've been very satisfied with it. We have an organization that comprises of approximately 30 individuals, and there's all kinds of interesting use cases that we've been able to apply using the ERP Gold.